What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyata here, and today I have a requested video from one of my so twist upward onto the 2-strand twist, just like so. And once it gets a little in, you want to go ahead and fold that downward, just like so, and just hold it into place. Because this is red hair, we're going to use a clear elastic or rubber band to secure the end of that lock. If you are using more than 2 locks, you just want to start off with the shortest lock and do the same method, okay? The next lock, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to begin to twist upward over the lock we just twisted up, all right? And we're going to be overlapping, okay, that lock and continuing to twist or wrap the lock around that 2-strand twist. And again, we have a little end, and we're just going to fold it down just like so. All right. And the reason that I say choose the shortest lock first when wrapping it around your 2-strand, because you want the last one to overlap everything. So you always want to start with the shortest and end with the longest. Clear rubber band, okay? And we're going to secure that end. If you have black hair, of course, you will be using black rubber bands, all right? All right, there we have 1 lock knot complete. So to get started with this particular lock style, the first thing we're going to do is start off taking 4 locks, okay? You can use however many locks you like, but here I'm using 4. we're going to be doing a chunky twist. And for those who don't know, a chunky twist is simply 2 or more locks into a twist. So we're going to start off golden rule, straight to the left. All right. Now, one of the things I want you to notice here while I am wrapping, okay, notice that I am not, see there's like a bit of a space in between. All right, now this is where I help you to understand why I have some grooves here and why it isn't important that the locks actually touch when you start and as you continue. We're going to go in the same direction, wrapping here. We're going to be wrapping the hair downward. As we are wrapping, we're going to be overlapping the lock we just wrapped, as well as filling in the gaps that we have made when we wrapped our first lock. We just kind of let the locks fall into the middle of that, like so. Just really covering every inch of this chunky twist. One of the things I want to mention here is, of course, you can see the clear rubber bands here because my light is reflecting off of this clear rubber band. Of course, if you have black hair and you're using black rubber bands, then that speaks for itself. We're going to go to the next lock, the shortest one, which is this one here. And we're going to do the same thing. We're wrapping, same direction. We're overlapping, okay? Just wrap it down. Don't worry about it being close, just wrap it down. Wrap it down. It's all going to be seamless. Just wrap it down. You also want to make sure you have enough hair to reach the base of your lock knot. See, like so, at the base. We're going to go ahead and take a rubber band. We're going to secure. Just like that. We're going to continue. Same thing. Wrapping. Last one. Overlapping. My son says that. We're going to move on to another one.
Original bad man, you don't know. Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You want it, come move, fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh.
So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. One boy and need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We could do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel 'em. If I know if you do, I'ma go talk 'em. Baby, you rock 'em. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, body. I know say, I just gotta tell you what's in my mind. You gotta know.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it all.